The Meadows area is where a lot of our year-round residents live, and the roads that were kind of here were not really built for safety. They didn't have any sidewalks or any bike paths or anything like that, and so the town council decided that they needed to make some improvements down here.
The area I'm standing in here was the first part of our implementation of the Meadows master plan. The idea of making it more pedestrian friendly. In this area we put this trail in at a handicapped or an ADA slope to make it more accessible. Recognizing though that people took shortcuts up the hillside, we put in the steps, covered them for winter time so that they're much more maintainable in the winter time. Above us here we worked on the parking lot, which is adjacent to the post office. We made it more ADA accessible into the post office above here. We've also put in sidewalks to make it more pedestrian friendly. We've done traffic calming, which involves putting in raised crosswalks, which are basically speed bumps that are crosswalks, which really protects people walking across.
Mountain Village has the Telluride ski area, and essentially the original developer platted and built this town. Mountain Village is relatively a new town up on the ski hill. And then the people that have come here to work and live are outdoor people. There's lots of hiking on the Forest Service in the area, Mountain Village, Telluride. And so definitely pedestrian oriented. When the Mountain Village Center was developed, it was designed as pedestrian only. And so when you walk up through our plaza, that's how it's all laid out with the businesses and the condos and the hotels. It's all pedestrian, and that's the feel that they've also tried to move into these other areas. But unfortunately, when a lot of this was built, they didn't think about how much use that there would be on some of the road right-of-ways. And so we've been tasked over the last few years of trying to make those corridors safer. So that's definitely what this is all about.
Almost anywhere in the Mountain Village, you're probably 200 steps from a great mountain biking or hiking trail. And you can ride the free gondola to the top of the ridge and hike to the very top of the ski mountain in the summertime. Watch the hang gliders take off and the paragliders. It's just a great environment.